What's up, you guys? Chet Guthrie, the Dream Poet here, coming to you all with day 173. Oh, you can hear the cars outside. Day 173 of my vlogging experience here in the state of Florida. And today, you guys, as you all can see, I now have headroom. It's really nice. I woke up with sunlight this morning, and it was gorgeous. That's not the point. Today, you guys, since I no longer have an AC unit on my boat, we are going to put this back on. I know when I first got my boat back in 6 months ago, did something just fall out of my mouth? Sorry about that, that was a little bit gross. But when I got my boat about 6 months ago, I tried putting it back on and I didn't have much success. Mainly because, the AC unit was in the way. But you guys, today, for the start of this vlog, we're going to put it on. We are continually restoring this boat, you guys. Let's do it. Man, I need to clean that up. Now, I think it was in this one that I had it in, maybe. Or maybe this one. No. Dang it. What did I do with those screws? Because I know I had screws that go up there that basically it ties up to the door to my V-berth. I put them here somewhere. Where did I put them? Ah, found them. Alright, let's put this thing back on. Hopefully I will not screw it up like I almost did last time. We got the door, we got a headroom, and how did I do this again? Oh yeah, that's how I did it. It goes on like so. At least, no, ah. That's how it goes. Well, alright, you guys, I had to put the phone down for a minute and I kind of slipped and fell, but this is what it looks like so far. As you all can tell, I've got the first screw in there and the second screw, and now I'm going to put the rest of them in. And voila! I fixed another thing, you guys. Yay! But anyway, pops back like that. And, well, I forgot why it's not going in. Ah, there we go. See? Check that out. Solid wood. Solid wood. It kind of reminds me of like that old Harry Potter film, where it's like what is it, the Railroad 9 3/4 or something like that. Well, you can't even tell that there's a V-berth back there. I'm a little bit curious to see how dark it gets in here with this piece. Let's give it a try, shall we? There we go. I kind of like it. Dang, I seriously don't understand why they wanted to put an AC unit right there. I guess I understand why they did, because, it's Florida, it gets hot down here, but wow, you could have just as easily put one next to the galley, or, the entrance, but I don't know, I'm digging this. Alright, now that that is done, we are going to cut. Yeah, that fell over. But we are going to cut up some tarp today, guys, to cover up my winches. Apparently, they're one of the more expensive things on my boat, and I have to get covered because, well, I've already lost one, but that's when I first bought the boat, and that's really not a good thing. So, more work today. I don't think we're going to use those. I do think we're going to use this one. I can always get another one because that one wasn't too terribly expensive. Right, first plan of business. I have to see how much tarp I'm going to need to cover this up. So let me see. Right around there. So I guess I'm going to cut out probably square, about like that. Alright, that was slightly aggravating, but I got it. Time to use the bungee cords, if I can do it with one hand, but I guess not. Perfect. Now that is not too shabby. Now I gotta do it for the other ones. Okay, now not looking too shabby. Got all those covered up. Again, except this one because that one's already busted. So, I think we're gonna throw this tarp back up now. Well, this is pretty serious. My phone, my new one, is doing the same thing as my old one. See? Nothing. So, I'm not buying a new phone. In fact, I think that they have wireless chargers over at Walmart. But as I was editing my video, this is my conclusion for today since my phone's dead and I can't charge it. I'm not gonna lie, it feels weird losing, but I know LSU is a really good team and it looks like they might go to a national championship. Florida, I will always support my Gators. I'll always fight alongside my Gators. And I think Trask, honestly, and Dan Mullen, given next year, I think that they can beat LSU. I think that they can. And two, I mean, I'm not exactly in a bed. That's where I'm kind of weird. I'm kind of, is it okay to be happy that there was a big upset yesterday between South Carolina and Georgia? Now that, my friends, is what made my day. I don't know. For me, it's just like Georgia is a bit of an overrated team. But now that I've said that, and I'm done with my video for today. Today, 173 of my vlogging experience. Thank you all for tuning in. Stay posted. Stay tuned. Love you all very much. Peace, guys.